this is different. I like this. It's a little strong. Hey y'all, it's Bella. So I wanted to do another Sephora haul for y'all. I have a few packages only because it's not a lot of stuff, but it's just I kept going back and making more orders, and then they did a sale and I was like, okay. So the first box, I don't even know what box is what. The first box is this Murad Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lighting Serum. I just got a little mini size just to try. I never tried any Murad products, so just like that. So I just got a little bitty one to try. And then the samples, Kate Somerville's Exfoliate. I did hear this is really good, so I did want to try it. And then a Dolce & Cabana. It's not even full. And it don't smell good. It's not even full, but I don't like it. I don't like it anyway. So that's literally all that was in that box. Okay, next box. That must have been cologne, cause oh, so this one has my birthday gift. They did the Bumbum cream birthday gift. I already have the Bumbum cream, but I chose this because why not have it in the mini when it smells so good? This is the one I have. Oh my God, it's so cute. Oh, Sephora played me. It's empty in there. But it's okay, because it was free. I didn't pay for this. And this one, Coco Cabana cream. Oh, it smells good. It's like a coconut, a coconut smell. What else is in here? What is this? Shampoo and a conditioner, new carrot stays nutritionist. Okay, it's just a sample. Oh, and I also ordered the Ordinary Mandelic acid. I honestly think I just ordered this to get my birthday gift. So, never tried it. Jeez, why is everything... Okay, I'm not about to. So these inserts are like a week later, but I at least wanted to show you guys what this oil looked like. Of course, it has no smell. And I actually really like it. It makes my skin feel really like supple and moisturized. I really like it. And there's, oh, a Chloe. I already know what Chloe smells like. Chloe smells really good. So I must have picked this on purpose because I love this. Just a little bitty, you know. I love that Chloe. It's one of my favorite scents. And then the last box. Oh! This last box was my first order then. This is my big order. So I got the Inky List Alpha Arbutin. Supposed to be good for dark spots. I don't know why I smell everything, but probably have a little cap on it, yeah. So let's see. I think it's white. Oh, it's a little like opaque-ish. No smell. It's really soft. Like, I like it. I'm messing with it. I think I might prefer this over the azelaic acid, because the azelaic acid for some reason just beads up for me. Oh, it has a little, it tells you like where in your routine to put it. This is my first thing from the Inky List too. A YSL perfume sample. I remember picking this, but maybe I did. I never like pick the makeup samples because usually they don't, it's like a shade or something that just doesn't apply to me. So I always pick like the skincare samples or the perfume. Okay, this is different. I like this. It's a little strong. Just a little. Next thing I got is this fresh Sugar Blood Orange Hydrating Lip Balm. So I heard these were amazing, and my Laneige ran out, so I needed a new one. Instead of buying one of those, oh, this smells good. Oh, it's so soft. I know I'm gonna like this. I like this. This is the one thing I've really been waiting for this. I've seriously been waiting for this. There was supposed to be, oh, what else did I order? I don't know. Did I order this? Okay, so the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Crush Body Mist. Why is everything so hard to open? It's just perfume everywhere. It doesn't smell exactly like the cream, but I could still get with it. It wasn't what I was expecting. Unless maybe because I sprayed that other stuff, but I love this packaging. This double. And I also ordered the Super Goop Glow Oil. It has sunscreen, SPF 50. Let's see. I was gonna say, how you get it out? I'm nervous. Oh, okay. So it sprays out. Oh, smells good. I'm glowing. Definitely, I like that. I don't know if they had it in a bigger one than this, but usually when I get stuff for the first time, you know, I just get a small one. But yeah, I would definitely buy way more of this. Because if I'm trying to put this on my body, honey, this. This? Honey. What else is this? Another perfume? Dang, what was I doing? Oh, this one is called Ellis Brooklyn West. You know what this smells like? Maybe some people like this. This smells just exactly like my tomato plant. Like, it's a cool smell, but I don't want to smell like my tomato plant. What the hell? Okay, I don't know what happened. This is another sample thing. I don't know. Now you just be ordering stuff and you don't really think about it. So then of course you don't remember what happened. Jesus, how you open this? Show off and share using Sephora Play. Stay in and playbook. What is this, like a little activity book? I'm confused. What did I, oh. So it shows you everything that's in the box. What is this? Another perfume sample? This not on, oh, yes it is. It says bonus. So the other YSL one, it doesn't say what the name of it is. This one says Black Opium. So I think it's different. What is this? Wow. Okay. So what you supposed to do with that once you break it open? I've never seen a perfume sample come like that. And I don't like that. Cause now it's just, open. Okay. I don't like the way it smells anyway. Okay, I got a Glam Glow Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in Nude Glow. So I don't know if y'all can see what color that is and what color I am. This is why I don't order makeup samples. I talked all the crap about this product only to try it after I finished the video and realize that it actually rubs in pretty clear. So it is something I can use. So see how quick that just dissolves. That was amazing. I got a Clinique. It literally just says Clinique. It doesn't say what it is. Almost lipstick in Black Honey. Oh, it's really pretty though. What? Do y'all see this? There's no pigment. Do you see how dark this is? Why is there no pigment on this? Do I have it? Girl. Okay. Next thing, Nars. Now I like Nars. Lipstick in Toledo. Here. Toledo. It's so cute. I love Nars packaging though. Nars have my heart for real with their packaging. Like, look at that. You could just sit there somewhere and it just look like perfect decor. But let's see, I'm gonna go back here next to, okay, that's what the hell I'm talking about, Pigment. I like that. Nars, I like you. Me and you can get along. Then I also got this Lancome it's an instant full body mascara, Hypnose. Oh, it has like a it's like a curly brush. Well, not curly, but like wavy. I mean, these are lashes, but it seems pretty cool. Drama. Okay. Then the last thing, it did come in a cute little bag. I think that's the last thing, yeah. Just have like a crossword on it, spot the difference. Oh, not a crossword, a word search. This is a crossword. Okay, just some of the activities to stay inside. That was cute. Okay, this last thing is a Dr. Jart Cicapair Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. Look at the bottom. They give you the tiniest bit. I swear to God. Oh, it smells good. Almost like a green tea smell. So, I think, is this supposed to be like a mask? I forgot. I just be ordering stuff. Neutralize redness of the skin with this tiger grass infused treatment that soothes and protects skin from environmental aggressors. Apply to clean dry skin after serum and before. Foundation for sun protection in a flawless, even looking beige. See, y'all see how this went on me and I'm supposed to leave it on? You know, it's definitely giving white cast, so I don't know about that. I was very excited to try that, but I thought it was like a wash off thing. So yeah, so that was the last thing. I just wanted to come to you guys, give you a little Sephora haul. I guess this was very, very like off the wall, I feel like. But yeah, so that was all the stuff. So So if y'all like this video, you know, go ahead right down there, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.